Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Aries Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March 2024 for all the Aries Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Sun will stay in your 11th house till 14 March 2024. After 14 March, Sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationships, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities is seen from fifth house, your early education means till college life education is also seen from fifth house, and throne and position at your workplace. How higher post you can get in your life is also seen from fifth house, and your children is also seen from fifth house. So right now, fifth house Lord is moving in your 11th house till 14 February. So till 14 February, we can expect great result for you people regarding your children's related matter, regarding your education related matter, regarding your learning ability and planning ability as well, because your fifth house Lord is sitting in the house of gain, and from the house of gain, Sun is also expecting its own house, your fifth house, as we discussed previously in last month prediction video. Also, Saturn is present in your 11th house in its own house. That's why we can expect you will get a great result regarding your gains related matter as well in the month of March till 14 February. Also, if you have any love relationship, then your fifth house Lord is expecting its own house from your 11th house, house of achievement, house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes. That's why we can expect great result regarding your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, and fiance related matter. Every Sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces. After 14 March, Sun will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces. So after 14 March, when your fifth house Lord will be moving in your 12th house, then we can expect you need to be take care of your children's health. If you have children right now, also we can expect you need to be take care of your education related matter, because your fifth house, your mental abilities, your learning abilities, Lord will be moving in the house of imagination, in the house of losses. So you may daydream a lot in the month of March, especially after 14 March. So you need to be take care of these things in the month of March, especially after 14 March. Also, if you have any love relationship, then you need to be take care of your love relationship, because Rahu is also moving in your 12th house, and your fifth house Lord Sun will be moving in your 12th house after 14 March 2024. So you need to be take care of these matters like your love relationship, like your children's health, and your education related matter as well if you are in education life. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of March for all the Aries Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will also move to your 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Third house deal with your younger brothers and sisters, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends seen from third house, your communication ability seen from third house, your quick ideas and ability to do hard work, and your hands skills is also seen from third house. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, arguments, your fights, your daily routine, your loans means your debt is also seen from sixth house, your competitor, and your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from sixth house. So right now your sixth house and third house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and right now 11th house is in a strong position, because 11th house Lord Saturn is also moving in your 11th house. So we can expect you will get great result regarding your efforts related matter, regarding your hard working related matter. In whatever work you are putting your effort, you will get also the revenue of that effort due to presence of your third house Lord in your 11th house with 11th house Lord. Also, Sixth house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and right now your sixth house is occupied by Ketu, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. But right now in the month of March, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your 11th house till 8 March 2024. So till 8 March, we can expect you will get great result regarding your competition, regarding your court case litigation related matter. If you are facing any hidden enemies, then we can expect your hidden enemies will be suppressed due to presence of Ketu in your sixth house, and your sixth house lord will be moving in your 11th house till 8 March. After 8 March, when your sixth house and third house lord will be moving in your 12th house, then we can expect your hidden enemies, your court cases, your debt will be in your favor. Means you will be able to pay your loans back. Also, we can expect your hidden enemies will be defeated and your court cases will be into your favor after 8 March, when your sixth house lord will be moving in your 12th house, because from 12th house Mercury will also aspect its own house, your sixth house, and Ketu is also moving in your sixth house, which will suppress your hidden enemies, your court case, your competition, etc. etc. Your third house lord will also be moving in your 12th house, so you need to be take care of your efforts and hard working related matter, because your efforts lord will be moving in the house of loss, in the house of expenses. You may have to face some type of humiliation due to your effort, or you may have to face some time of loss. You may face some type of loss due to your third house lord will be present in your 12th house with Rahu. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aries ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your seventh house. And right now Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Capricorn. Venus will stay in your 10th house till 8 March 2024, and after 8 March Venus will also move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Second house will be your family history seen from second house, your money matters, your savings, your bank account, your pocket, your speech, your food intake habit, and your mouth region is also seen from second house. Your early upbringing is also seen from second house. Seventh house will be your marriage, your spouse, your life partner seen from seventh house. Your business partnership is seen from seventh house. Your how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house. Your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. Your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things, your contractual things is also seen from seventh house. So right now second house and seventh house lord is moving in your 10th house, where Mars is also present in your 10th house, because Mars is present in its exalted position in your 10th house till 16th March, or till 16th March, or especially till 8 March, till your 7th house and second house Lord is present in your 10th house. We can expect great result regarding your earnings related matter, regarding your savings related matter, regarding your efforts related matter at your workplace. You will definitely get a great result at your workplace. Whatever work you are doing, either you are doing business or job, we can expect great result for you people. Because second, sixth, and 10th house always connected to your work related matter and your earnings. And also your sixth house lord is present in your 11th house in the house of gain, and your savings house, your money matters lord is present in the house of work, where Mars is present in exalted position till 16th of March. So we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your family related matter, regarding your speech and food intake related habits, and the month of March, especially till 8 March. Also, your seventh house lord is moving in your 10th house. So if you are a celebrity or some politician or you are a public figure, then we can expect great growth in your fame, and you will also get a revenue of that fame, because you will get also the get a lot of work in the month of March, especially before 16th of March, till Mars is present in your 10th house with Venus, your 7th house lord. So we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your savings related matter, and your work related matter in the month of March, especially till 8 March 2024. After 8 March, your 7th house and second house lord will be moving in your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius, and 11th house deal with your gains, your elder brothers, sisters seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment, hopes and wishes seen from 11th house, Your friend circle, your professional circle is also seen from 11th house. So after 8 March, when your second house and 7th house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, we can expect great result because Saturn and Venus consider as friends in astrology. And after 8 March, Venus will be moving in its friend's house in your 11th house in the house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So that's why we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationship related matter. Also, we can expect if you have any love relationship and you want to convert that relationship into a marriage, then we can expect great result after 8 months and especially after 16 March when Mars will also join your Venus and Saturn in your 11th house. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Aries ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aries ascendant people, Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard it's set according to 6th of March, and on the basis of 6th March we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problems and difficulties in our life. Because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problems and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And Moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, whenever Moon is moving near any of these planets from any house, during these days in transit, we can also expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near any of these naturally malefic planets. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aries ascendant people, Mars controls your first house and your eighth house. And right now Mars is moving in your 10th house in its exalted position in the sign of Capricorn. Mars is very important planet for you people because Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars controls your first house. And right now your first house is occupied by Jupiter. And Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in your 10th house, and also Mars is present in exalted position at your 10th house in your work related house. Also control your 8th house. 8th house deal with the sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house, your secret activity, your sexual activity, sexual relationship, sexual organ, etc. etc. All the secrets you have is seen from 8th house. So your first house and your 8th house lord will be moving in your 10th house till 16th of March. After 16th of March, Mars will also move to your 11th house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn, Venus, and Mars will be moving in your 11th house. So before 16th of March, we can expect great result regarding your work-related matter, regarding your growth at your work-related matter, regarding your accomplishment at your workplace, regarding progress at your workplace, regarding gains at your workplace due to presence of your ascendant lord in your 10th house. Also your second house lord is moving in your 10th house till 8 March 2024. But till 16 March, Mars is moving in an exalted position at your workplace. If you are a CEO of a company, or you are a head of your department, or you are running some any institute you are running, then we can expect great result, great growth of money in the month of March for you people, or all the Aries ascendant people. After 16 March, when your ascendant lord will be moving in your 11th house, in the house of gains, in the house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes, then we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your money related matter. Also, suddenly there is a chance you will get some good news regarding your gains related matter in the form of money, or some your hopes and wishes will come true in the month of March, especially after 16 March 2024, when your first house and eighth house lord will be moving in your 11th house. So we can expect these results from all the plans for all the Aries Ascendant people in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 11th house. And Sun will stay in your 11th house till 14th March 2024. After 14 March, Sun will move from your 11th house to first house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 11th house, and Mercury will stay in your 11th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mars will stay in your 10th house till 16th March 2024. After 16 March, Mars will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 10th house, and Venus will stay in your 10th house till 8 March 2024. After 8 March, Venus will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Aries Ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.